Do you know of a recently placed in service affordable housing, community development, or historic preservation property that deserves recognition? Nominate it for a Novogradac Journal of Tax Credits Award. The 2025 award nomination season is now open. Properties can be submitted in one of three categories: Developments of Distinction for affordable housing, Quilikies of the Year for use of New Markets Tax Credit financing, or Historic Rehabilitation. Each category has multiple subcategories, with specific types of properties receiving awards. To make a nomination, go to Novogradac's awards page and click on the appropriate category. Honorees receive national recognition, including coverage in the Novogradac Journal of Tax Credits Best of issue in July, and presentation at the appropriate 2025 Novogradac Conference, where winners will be honored on stage. Winners also receive recognition on Novogradac social media accounts and complimentary registration to the appropriate Novogradac event. Novogradac will also recognize outstanding achievement in community development with a Robert E. Ibanez Award. This award category was established in honor of Bob Ibanez, who, among other roles in his long community development career, was a senior manager at Novogradac and the New Markets Tax Credit Program Manager at the CDFI Fund. The awardee will be recognized for their vision, leadership, innovation, and impact in advancing the mission of community development. That award will be presented at the 2025 Spring New Markets Tax Credit Conference in Washington, D.C. Ensure that the recognition goes to the deserving affordable housing, community development, or historic rehabilitation property, or community development champion by nominating them today. The deadline is March 5th, 2025.